is going on, everybody? My name is Lorenzo and this is Crypto with Lorenzo. Welcome back to today's video where I want to go and talk about Zilliqa. Now, you've seen from the title, and today I want to go and see whether or not Zilliqa, in my opinion, can reach $1 after all the market concern that there have been in the past couple of weeks and months. And also, I want to share you my point of view on what this coin is. Also, if you're new, what this coin is and everything that you need to know and how to go and trade it and buy it. But before we get started into it, of course, leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Share this video, share my tweets if you are a Zilliqa supporter, so we can push this project even more and the community can help a lot making the project grow. But I want to ask you a question. Let me know down in the comment your answer. Do you think Zilliqa realistically could hit $1? What is your take on it? Can it? When could it, if it can, or if it simply cannot reach $1? I would just want to go and have a conversation with you, so let me know down in the comments what you think. This is just my point of view that I will explain in this video. I'm no financial advisor, of course. Make your own due diligence research if you're planning to invest in the coin, but this is my point of view and I want to go and see everything that there is on this project. But with that said, what is Zilliqa? So first thing I want to explain what is Zilliqa. Well, we can go and check it out here on this website so you can see it, especially from a reputable source and not a young crypto YouTuber. That what is Zilliqa? We can see it on kraken.com. Well, Zilliqa is a software that seeks to incentivize a global distributed network of computers to run a blockchain platform that aims to increase user scalability through sharding. In this way, Zilliqa is one of the number of competing blockchain aiming to grow an ecosystem of decentralized applications and cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum, Tron and EOS. To differentiate itself from others, Zilliqa uses a sharding process which splits its infrastructure into several interconnected blockchains to support more transactions. Zilliqa also launched Scilla, a native programming language that focuses on security and enables developers to write and launch customizable dapps intended to reply real-world surveys. So this is the first aspect of what I think about this project. Well, Zilliqa aims to make a lot of transactions, and the key point of Zilliqa is that it can escalate and make a lot of transactions quickly and in way more transactions per second than what Ethereum is. I believe it's around 10,000 transactions per second. Well, Zilliqa was also created in 2017 and at time of them launching, and at now the price is at 3 cent point 8, something like that. Well, the mainnet was launched in 2019, where we're gonna go and see now everything in the Zilliqa ecosystem, which is another key factor in this $1 reach. But what is the important thing? Well, it had an all-time high of 25 cents and now it's back at approximately 4 cents. It was yesterday, now it's at 3.8 cents. So it is gone down very, very low and it's been out for several years now. Well, the thing is, the number one key factor, in my opinion, to go to $1 is the fact that there is the technology behind Zilliqa. Zilliqa is undoubtedly a great technology and can be used as a software from very, very many people, from very different people. And it's going to get, it just needs to be there. It just needs to be pushed out. It just needs to be more marketing from the team. There needs to be more incentivized to go and be used, to go and expand themselves, their clients, their base, their database, everything. So it is very important that they do this, but it has the technology behind. And what do you think about technology? Do you think it has to improve? Do you think it's not a great technology? Let me know, of course, down in the comments below. But with the second thing that I want to bring to your attention is the Zillstream.com. Now, this is the part of the website. Well, Zilliqa is a full ecosystem. In Zilliqa, you can create tokens, you can create coin. As we can see here, it has a lot of great projects such as Opulus, which you can go and do your own research. I have made a video on Opulus, but it's for the music industry and is trading at 31 cents. Then there is XCAD, which is the greatest project in my opinion. I have heavily invested in XCAD and is a long-term play, which brings YouTubers to go and monetize their content through the plugin of XCAD, which when you watch a YouTube, you will get their token. So you will get my token if you watch me, and then you can sell my token for XCAD. This goes everything in the Zilliqa ecosystem. So it is something great. Then we got Lunar, which is a great project, a great product as well. The Lunar website, you will be able to go and find statistics on every project in the crypto space. They have a website, go and check them out. Package portal. Then we got the XCAD DEX, which is of course the governance token. We got the Zilliqa, which is the other governance token. Broccoli, which is a great product. So the Zilliqa ecosystem itself has great project, has great potential, and it is something new. There are a lot of new projects, but in my opinion, it is something very, very interesting to keep an eye out, and more projects are being built. So the ecosystem, the infrastructure, there are 62 tokens, as we can see here, created, and it is something great. Now the Zilliqa price, as we see, is 0.038, so it's down 2%, but it has a volume in the past 24 hours of over $1 million. So it is interesting to see, and it is important to see, there is a TVL in the last 30 days of 25 million, but there is a daily volume every day. There's a consistent daily volume of over $1 million. As we can see here, we got the different exchanges. Well, we got Zilswap and XCAD, so it is also without counting all the transactions that could happen in Binance, as it is listed in Binance. Potentially could get listed in Coinbase. This we don't know. There's a lot of speculation about Coinbase. There's a lot of speculation about the metaverse and Facebook as well, where they go back and forth on Twitter replying to each other. So if that could be integrated, it would be massive. There could be a massive adoption if Zilliqa becomes the metaverse coin for what metaverse or Facebook, for so to say, what Meta could become as part of the metaverse expansion. So there is a lot of talk, speculation for most of it, that either get listed on Coinbase, therefore we have a wider audience to go to and apply to, and also the partnership with Facebook, but nothing is set 100%. So this is another reason why, in my opinion, yes, it can reach $1. If everything goes well, it has a lot of potential, a lot of project in it, a lot of potential, a lot of great project, and also the technology is behind. So there is 2 points in my favor. Let me know what you think about this topic as well. The next thing that I do want to go and check out is their Twitter. Now, this is the most entertaining thing of them all. Why do I say this? Well, it has a great following of 400,000 people, as we can see here, 400,000 followers. But what is the most important thing in this Zilliqa coin? Well, now they're releasing their own metaverse called Metapolis. As we can see here, Metapolis is going to be their metaverse, so like Decentralized, like Sandbox, and this could be exponentially huge for the project. Now, they don't need to mess this up, because as of now, and I'm gonna go and show you right now a video, it looks very, very promising. It looks something amazing. You can go and follow them on Twitter, as they have a very interesting page. They tweet every day, so they are a great product, they are a great team behind it. And they also have, for example, Battlemex over here, which is a video game built on the Zilliqa ecosystem. So it is something interesting. But now, what is the biggest point we can take from their Twitter? Well, if we go and see this one, this is what Metapolis looks like. It is something incredible, which we can go and zoom, and we can go and see this project. It is something incredible. This is going to be their Decentraland, their Sandbox, their metaverse. And if these are in-game play, as they say, these are in-game gameplay, it does look phenomenal. So there's going to be a lot of different options, a lot of different projects. The graphics look great. The virtual reality looks great. So this is one big thing that, in my opinion, has to be perfect to make sure that it reaches $100. $100. I wish $100 is fairly impossible. Yes, $1 realistically, whether it's 1 year, whether it's this year, whether it's 3 years, let me know down below, of course, it is a realistic vision. But this is, at least in my opinion, of course, I'm no financial advisor, this is only my opinion, you can agree or disagree. But this Metapolis here, it is something huge. There's a lot of hype behind it. For example, also XCAD, the coin that is on the Zilliqa ecosystem, has just been listed on Huobi Global. So also here a great exposure. Then what else do we have? Well, we have a great team behind it. It's being reviewed. The team has been constantly updating, and recently it has been updated even more. There's been new signings to the team, so they do want to go and push even more what they know. Then the other thing that I want to bring you, for example, the Metapolis is a great, you can go and check it out on their Twitter. They got different videos, and it's launching very soon. It should launch first thing in Miami in April. Let me know if I'm wrong, but there should be an event in Miami regarding the Zilliqa and everything of it. But another thing I want to take to your attention is this. This is a investorsobserver.com article that they just released a couple of days ago. And where do they rank and what do they talk about Zilliqa? What is the perception in the crypto space from crypto experts, for so to say, when they write this article of Zilliqa? Well, they rank Zilliqa, they have a score of 46 from Investor Service. Our priority scoring system considers the trading patterns over the past several months to a year by analyzing the coin's consistency, volatility, and where it is relative to long-term average, or determine whether it's a strong buy and hold investment opportunity. Currently, Zilliqa holds a superior long-term technical analysis scores than 46% of cryptocurrencies. Long-term investors employing a buy and hold strategy will find the long-term rank especially relevant when allocating their assets and may find additional value finding cryptos with a high short-term technical score to discover coins that have bottomed out. The trading analysis, Zilliqa is currently 1.5 cents, 27% below its 100-day moving average. So it broke the 100-day moving average price of 0.056 with its current price of 0.38 at time of recording. Meanwhile, Zilliqa is 0.007 above its 52 weeks low price of 0.03 and minus 0.21 below its 52 weeks high of 25 cents, which we went to see. The current price relative it is moving average and 52 weeks high and low leads to an average long-term technical score of 46. Trends for the long-term trending history of Zilliqa suggest that traders are currently bearish on the coin. Zilliqa has a total market cap of $500 million with an average daily volume of $340 million worth of the currency exchange over a typical 24 hours period. As of the past 24 hours, Zilliqa volume is below its average with 63,312,213.40 exchange in total. This coin subclass distributes a software platform. A platform is decentralized infrastructure designed for a purpose. So this is what they talk about here, a technical analysis for so to say, with the summary being that Zilliqa over the past year results in the crypto receive an average long-term technical score of 46 as its price moved in that time has given trade reason to be bearish on the coin in the long term. So these people here don't seem to be very bullish on Zilliqa. I am, especially considering what Metapolis could bring to the project and the exposure that they could have and the partnership that there could be within Metapolis if the team does not mess up. So yes, I am bullish and you can call me crazy, you can call me just not realistic, but Zilliqa to $1 if the market goes back up, if we see an uptrend in the market, if the market, of course now we're in a difficult period, we got, the conflict going on between the two parties. I don't know if even I'm allowed to say it on YouTube or I just get, something happening. So you know what I mean. We got the what happened in 2019 till 2021 with the getting illness and the sickness. So if the market goes back up and it goes above what it was before, Bitcoin goes above all-time high, I do see Zilliqa going back up and taking steam. Also with the Metapolis, with the metaverse releasing, I think that will be something very important for the coin to go and escalate back to all-time heights and potentially reach the $1, whether it's this year, whether it's next year, whether it's in 3 years time. I do believe in the long term. I am a long-term supporter of Zilliqa and I have money invested in Zilliqa. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching. Of course, let me know down in the comments below what you think about this coin, what you think about the project, and leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Thanks for watching and see you later. Ciao, ciao.